Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool TUB-OUTER part #W10772612. The Whirlpool TUB-OUTER part #W10772612 is a replacement part for a washing machine. It is the outer tub of the washing machine which holds the clothes and water during the wash cycle. The tub is made of durable plastic and is designed to last for many years. It has a white finish and comes with all necessary hardware for installation. This part is compatible with many Whirlpool washers, including models from the Duet, Cabrio, Bravos, and Kenmore Elite series. This part should be replaced if it becomes cracked or damaged in any way. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace the outer tub on a Whirlpool washing machine. It will fix any issues related to the outer tub, such as leaks, cracks, or other damage. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the power to the hot tub at the breaker box. 2. Remove the old tub outer by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Place the new Whirlpool TUB-OUTER part #W10772612 into position and secure it with screws. 4. Connect the electrical wiring to the new tub outer according to manufacturer instructions. 5. Turn on the power to the hot tub at the breaker box and test for proper operation of all components. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.